Hey, what's up guys, Duckman892 here and welcome to Custard Tart Review. It's where I will review this custard tart and then I'm gonna speed run my way to 246. Okay? So don't be afraid to time me because this is gonna be impressive, really. Okay? So first, good bite. Eggy. I taste something burnt. 6 out of 10. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, time to speed run our way to 246. So I'm going to start with 246. Oh, yeah! That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in another video, but first, this is what 8 inches looks like through my camera. Remember this for next week. I'll update you then. Sayonara.